Hey guys, it's your guy Kiera from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're gonna be continuing our Clickbank series with my lead gen secrets. All right, so this should be day 8, I believe, and we're gonna continue emailing my lead gen secrets to get to make money off of Clickbank. So the first thing you want to do is get into my lead gen secrets using the affiliate link below. And then once you do that, you want to make multiple accounts. So what you do, you'll see when you get into your account here, you'll get your affiliate link right here. So you'll copy that, paste, and make another account from that affiliate link. So you're going to be an affiliate for yourself, so you can get bonus leads. That's the reason why you want to do it. Not only do you make income from doing that, I mean, you save some money by doing that, I guess technically. You get bonus leads and you build up your account faster. All right. So, but you want to make 5 accounts, at least 2, so you can get bonus leads. But to get consistent sales, you want 5 accounts at least. And I heard some people using 7 doing really well because they already gotten like 4 or 5 sales on the first month by using 7 accounts. And that's pretty good. I already paid for it, already been paid for all of his accounts. Already been paid for using 7 accounts right away. So the more accounts you use, the faster you'll make your money. That's just how it's gonna roll. So, but it costs a lot of money to open 7 accounts. It costs a lot of money to open 5. So I suggest you take it one step at a time. Maybe make only 2 accounts at first, then slowly build up. Maybe next month open another account. The next month open another account. Whatever how you feel, and get that going and get that building up. But today we're only gonna use 1 account. We only using 1 account for this series. But I do recommend 5 accounts to get consistent sales. We still get sales though because we have over 20,000 leads on this account. So we still get sales. The reason why I'm not using all 5 accounts because I promote other stuff on the other accounts. And if you notice, sometimes I forget that I send those emails on this account as well. I'm remembering to not send emails on this account. All right, so the first thing you want to do, you're going to go over here to Clickbank, log in, do all the stuff you need to do to log in to your account. And right, and get to this page here. Once you get to this page, you click on, Marketplace so you can look at all the items here. And what you want to focus on is this e-business and e-marketing. The reason why you want to focus on e-business and e-marketing is because the people that have said yes to my lead gen secrets have been asked if they want money opportunities to be sent to them. That's the reason. So they are in there because they're interested in making money online. You can make sales with other categories here, other niches. You can make sales like somebody made I say this all the time, but somebody made a sale on health and fitness. But it's not going to be consistent because that's not why they're in the service for. But they are all cold leads, so you could probably get away with sales in any of these categories. You might, but one thing we know for sure is that they're all interested in making money online. So that's why you want to focus on e-business and marketing. All right. So what we're gonna do, we getting paid for using Facebook and YouTube. So we want to hit on gravity here, and we're gonna focus on this one right here for right now. And let's talk about which ones I personally feel like are doing very well with this system. Get paid, of course, this one, the first one. I believe a lot of people are starting to use this one as well, promote. So yeah, it's doing really well. Goodwill system, I gotten sales with this, but the amount is kind of low, so that's the issue with Clickbank system. Turn text to speak, that's a program. It's a pretty good program, I like it. What it does, it changes your voice to you can have like it don't matter. It's not important. Perpetual income. I have not gotten this to work, but you can try this if you want to. I've not gotten a sale with this, but you can try it if you want. Scribble, that's another program to help you make books. It's a decent program, but it's not. I don't think it'll sell well here. And plus, its average conversion rate's still pretty low in general. Paid online writing jobs. This is what you want to do. I think this is a very good opportunity here. Paid online writing jobs. That's probably the one you want to go with out there doing the first one. That's the one. This is the one we're gonna do next. Live tech jobs. This is a pretty good one. Probably do this one third maybe. This is the third one we find here. It has a really high average conversion rate. So yeah, we give this a shot as well. Live tech jobs. They sound more like possible for the regular person to do. That's why I say go with these. But they seem more reasonable. They seem more like something you could possibly do. Writers app, get paid to review apps on your phone. Very good one here. I've gotten sales with this. It's not as many as the rest, so maybe you'll get more sales than me. I recommend it though because I have gotten sales on it, and I would recommend Affiliate Million now because it's a brand new offer. So yeah, we'll go with that right there. 12-minute affiliate system. You can try this. I haven't tried this one. I've never made money off of 12-minute affiliate system. All right, so we're gonna go with this. Get paid to use Facebook. So you want to click on that right there. Matter of fact, let's just do it naturally. So we click on this. It should load up here. Make sure you put in another tab, and you go to click on email spikes here, and we are on email. What email we on? Let me check. We on email 8 or 7. I feel like I sent this email. So we on email 8. Just looking at it, it looked like we sent the email. We on email 8 here. This is day 8, email 8. It makes sense. Sorry about that. I got a little confused there. But let's keep it moving here. So we're gonna just put that here. 150 day Instagram pics. Perfect time. That. A name. You can pick best wishes signature. You can post it right there. Pick whatever you want here. First, put your name maybe, or you can pick management or whatever you want to do. Right now, let's bold all of these. Bold. 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 You already see country down here. You know what we pick for country? We pick your area. Check that out. Country again, pick your area. Right. Hey, name. For name, we're gonna pick the first name fits here. It feels a little bit more personal. I'll put it right there. You know what? Let's put it for the title as well. That might make it a little bit more personal. Today uploading. Face. First name. All right. Now this email needs links. So what we're gonna do? Let's get the link here, right here. MLGS1. Like that. That. Get the link. Click here to apply now. Just have to do. I can't do that. My bad. That's my mouse acting up. Just put the email in there like that. I meant the link in there like that. Hit bold. And then I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. That's all you need. One thing I've noticed with my lead gen secrets, it tends to work better when you only have one link to click on. I don't know what it is. That might be just me, but that's what I've seen. So make sure you link up. That's one thing here. And make sure it's bold so it's easy to find. Now, just make sure the link works. Now, sometimes, if you notice, I haven't really. It's something I've noticed recently. It's not something that I've been rolling with the whole time, but I notice I get more sales on emails that are just one link. I don't know if that's a big thing or not, but whatever. Okay, the link works. And so we're gonna go ahead and send it then. An email. We're done. Just like that. Now remember, like I stated before, what you want to do is sign in your links here. If you're gonna send it to more than one account, you want to sign in and go to my lead gen secrets and copy paste and go to your other accounts or make other accounts. So you'll have multiple leads every day. You'll get them every day. As you can see, when I pick the first name first, it tends to do a little bit better. Not every time, but it tends to do a little bit better when I put your first name in the top there. See that? Like 190 clicks, 198, 172, 150. You see what I'm saying? It's hard to say. But it is what it is. Okay. All right, guys. Like I stated before, the average click, you could expect to sell around 250-ish clicks. That's the average. Now that means it might take a lot longer. It might take you might get a click every email. Like you might get a click on every email. It all depends. It's a numbers game. The more you have, the more chances you're gonna get the sales. That's why you want multiple accounts. Multiple accounts, more numbers building up over time. And by the time we get through a year with like somebody, let's say you buy 7 accounts right now, and you go through a whole year with those 7 accounts, you got so many people to make. So many. You have no choice but to make money, That's why I want to go ahead and get that initial payment out the way so you can just slowly build it up and you can slowly mail them. That's what you want to do. All right, that's all I have to say. All right, guys, make sure to click on the link below. Get started here. I also have a offer for 20 to start an online business that you can email, which works better than Clickbank, to be honest. It works better than Clickbank to email it. It's only the start. You only need $20 to start. I put a link in that in the description as well. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.